I'm Max Dalton, and in this video I'll show you how to enable the sensitive content warning on an Apple iPhone or iPad. Step 1. Tap to open the Settings app on your Apple iPhone or iPad. Step 2. Scroll down this menu and then tap Privacy and Security. The associated menu opens. Step 3. Scroll down this menu and then tap Sensitive Content Warning. Step 4. Tap to toggle on Sensitive Content Warning. Going forward, images containing potentially sensitive content will be blurred, and you'll see a warning where you can choose to continue and view the image. And to be clear, this does not give Apple any access to your personal photos. Apple leverages machine learning on your device to detect potentially sensitive images. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.